welcome to another episode of Beer Show NB.
Hey, got beer?
Got beer. Yeah,
I
we got beer.
I got beer. You got beer?
Yes.
I got beer. We got beer here.
Okay, let's go. Let's get to the point.
Finger points. That's
Get
the point.
to the point of the beer.
Tonight,
please.
New to the show. À soir, j'ai une bière qui est nouvelle sur le show. C'est une bière avec une Nouvelle-Écosse que tu peux l'avoir. It's only Nova Scotia you can get it.
We're testing some beer from Nova Scotia right now.
We tried, this is our third episode. We tried the 9 Locks, Get the Hell Out.
We tried El Hispananzo.
El Diablo.
El Diablo.
Yep. So guess what?
What?
As you were talking a while ago, as you were saying a while ago, on the other this episode,
a group of beers and we want to taste
guess what?
Beer and what?
This is a stout.
Really?
So,
let's
see. Wait.
Well.
So this is the Sea Piper Coffee Stout from Rare Bird Craft.
I just gave it 10 to that one.
Yeah. So this one is first time on the show.
What's the ABV on this
5.
one? Let's even go lower.
Yeah. So this one, Authentic Seacoast Brewing Company, Guysborough, Nova Scotia.
Can I see it?
It's from Guysborough, Nova Scotia.
All right, guys. The pipes are calling from Cape Breton, Cliff, tall ships in Halifax Harbour, to our sandy shores and kitchens of the dish. To East Coast, I like that.
East Coast
is where I choose to nest. My baggy melody. Yeah, this looks like a pirate song. My ode to Nova Scotia, which will always be home.
My ode.
A hearty. Is this a pirate or what?
Yeah, let me see.
A hearty brew build.
Where you at?
Right here. For piping with gusto, or 7-grain brewer mashes set with off a royal.
Oh, I know.
In fungal hall.
In fuggles.
Yeah.
A hearty. So a hearty.
It's
so
Sea Piper. Okay,
okay, you got to say it like a pirate voice.
Or hearty.
Adding our organic full stream coffee and dyed licorice root. Not black licorice. We craft our richly flavored chocolatey coffee stout that pours black at a starless night. To learn about a beer, rare flock bird. So, let's open it. We just finished our
let's crack it open, guys.
Stout from 9 Locks. Let's see if it
matches.
Well, not compares, but
hey. I think Norbert, you're being unfair.
You're being a monkey.
Norbert,
no, wait.
Norbert's hogging all the beer.
You're
again.
not being like Family Guy.
You're Stewie. You.
Sea Piper. Coffee Stout, Rare Bird Craft. Nip. Nip.
Salty. This one goes for the books.
Yeah. Madame, n'a pas ta face. 3, 2, 1. There you go.
That's it. Later on, or kids or children's gonna see this.
To get that off.
They're gonna say our fathers were very smart.
Our fathers were drunkards. Drunkards. Oh, this one smells different. Reset sent différent que the 9 Locks. Smells different. This one smells more up.
It smells like more of a crisp.
But this one smells more something I think I would like. Because the Muscou and you're the one I love. Close to this. The smell.
Yeah. If it was a little bit more
creamy?
No, if it was a little bit more
coffee?
No. If it was a little bit more alcohol.
Va pas insulter d'alcool non plus là. Nice
Oh,
tasting.
it's more creamy than the other one.
Chocolate.
Yep. Licorice.
Not.
At the end.
Non, c'est pas.
It's not the licorice?
Là, c'est. Vocal hops, original theme. Licorice root. Okay, no. J'ai tried licorice root.
What? I just told you licorice.
I don't mind this one.
So it does taste like licorice then.
Non, c'est pas.
Okay.
C'est pas la licorice noire là, que ça goûte là. There is one. Licorice noire j'ai fait, c'était de. There is one I've done with the. God damn it! It's it had black licorice in it. It's Hammond River? No, not Hammond River. Wait. I think it was Hammond River. Back in Black.
Mm-hmm. Hey,
Or maybe.
I want to tell you guys, I'm glad tonight we're here. Me and Norbert, we're testing beers from Nova Scotia. This is something.
Hey, I've tasted beer from Saint-Hyacinthe and
up in
no, you can get at Provigo in Cross Point.
yeah, no, but I mean the beers that I brought from
Yeah, they were good too. Yeah. But there is some
Sorel, yeah, there.
Va à Provigo à Cross Point là.
Yeah.
Puis ils ont rentré de la craft beer.
Oh.
Ben c'est ça je dis là j'ai fait Brasserie de Montréal.
Oui.
J'ai fait ben il y a des photos sont sur Instagram right now. Je les ai pognés à Cross Point.
Puis ça vient de Montréal.
Ben Montréal, Saint-Hyacinthe, tout ça.
Oui.
J'étais fuck. C'est à peu près le temps qu'ils prenaient de la bière d'ailleurs.
Ben oui.
Ben, mon dimanche. Ok. Je vais t'expliquer quelque chose après là. This one, Sea Piper Coffee Stout. Goes down good.
It's funny.
It's creamy-ish.
It's more creamer than the other one.
It's creamier.
I don't find. You know what? I like the other one better.
Coffee.
Yeah, for me.
Here is a suggestion. I'm not saying to change your recipe. I'm not saying to do anything different. No. Just a suggestion. Digestion.
You gotta get
digestion.
You gotta get the creaminess a little bit.
No. Just a little suggestion. Yeah, I would say that just a tad less creamier.
Yeah.
Bring it up to I'd say 6.5%. Yeah, 6.5 is comfortable with that. 6.5.
Less creamy.
And
I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, and I drink beer all the time. Okay. I give this beer a 7.5.
6.5. Less creaminess.
So more of
it.
It
bring out the chocolate of it.
It tastes there, like when you go in the morning, and you take your breakfast and you take your coffee, but you put 18% cream, and you taste your coffee in the morning, and you can feel that on your tongue. You can feel that cream. Well, that's what that tastes. And to be honest with you, we're not going to drink this for breakfast. Well, that depends.
You don't know me.
Yeah.
8.5.
Oh, that's good.
8.5.
So this one beats it. Oh, yeah. What?
The stout of the night.
Yeah.
Because this one was the last stout.
It's just it's too creamy.
Ben, non, que c'est crémé un peu, ça me dérange pas en tout.
Well, me too.
T'as le café, t'as un petit goût de... Ouais.
No, it's too creamy. It makes you full. That's not what we're looking for.
Full of shit.
You know when you get like you want to drink a beer all night?
Drink a beer?
Well, that beer is a creamy beer.
Yeah, 8.5 I stem. It's good.
What's it? Wait, we should see
C'est
like, the
bon.
calorie. There must be more calorie in this than that one for sure.
It's good. But 8.5.
Seven. I give it 7 point. An 8 or 7.5.
7.5.
Yeah, that's what I give it.
Something like that. So yeah, Rare Bird craft beer.
Anyways,
Hey, wait. If you guys want us to review more of your beer, send us a DM.
Send us requests and
Send us a DM.
Yeah,
We'll probably do it.
So, anyways, what I was gonna say is we're gonna have
poopy head.
No, we're gonna have there's something coming up there soon. Mountain Beer League. They're
November, yeah,
yes.
But it's November 13th. But it's not going to Circuit Breakers. So.
Yeah. So
I haven't seen any post or anything.
Well,
but next year in Fredericton, the Craft Beer Festival is on. We'll be there. I'll be there with underwear.
Well, if it's like
pants and t-shirts.
If it's like last year, I had no more underwear at the end of the night.
But yeah, it was fun. We might have some other people joining us.
Forget the underwear. I had none at the end.
On va peut-être avoir MB Beer Chick, MB Amber Effect.
Oh, yeah,
Nouveau, qui nous suit sur Instagram, des fois je la partage.
Oh, and please, if you do see me at the beer festival, please say hi and make sure you don't.
Don't worry. Don't worry. People will know who we are.
I hope
by the way we're gonna be dressed.
Yes.
If you see, I'm not saying what we're gonna wear, but
no.
You guys are gonna freaking no, holy shit, that's the beer crew show. Beer show and beer crew.
We're gonna try to get Bryce there too.
Well, what?
Then we'll have anyways.
See you guys later.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.